up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up, y'all? It's Tumble here, Mopar Boys Car Club. Normal Saturday, about to put some work in on Cranberry. You know what I mean? Hopefully y'all enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. I answer back. Holla at me. We working with today, nothing crazy. JLT oil catch can, JLT cold air intake, BBK 85mm throttle body. Nothing crazy, nothing light. Something light, something light. Here go Cranberry, fully stocked. It's the first set of performance upgrades. You know what I mean? If y'all follow me on Instagram, you see that we did the stripe, and that was done by TaylorMade. I put a link in the description. You know what I mean? They did the stripe all the way to the back. But that's not what we'll be about today. Today is all under the hood, so let's get it. Look who just pull up. Mopar Boys Car Club. VP, Euro Yacht, Euro Scat, rocking the gear. The represented Scat. Ooh, Mopar Boys. Ooh, you want to say something to the people?
No, I'm good.
You good? You good? The man staying mysterious. All right. So we got the damn intake out. Now, since we right here, we're going to pull off the stock throttle body, and we're going to install the BBK throttle body. Give me a second and let's start the install. Alright, install of the BBK is complete. The negative, don't also remember y'all, make sure y'all take off that negative battery terminal, 85mm right there. And now we're gonna continue putting back the cold air intake with the new. What's up, y'all? Back at it. You see these dang Where's my light? That damn, those hose clamps, son of a bitch. Those hose clamps, the radiator hose clamps, that's probably the hardest thing to get up. You're gonna spill some antifreeze, so you see everything is wet. I washed it off. You don't want no antifreeze sitting. And this push pin, woo, to get these two things lined up is hell. But then, as you see, I have this little hole right here that's supposed to be a pin. I don't got no pin right there, but it's secure, it's in place. I don't like the fact that I don't have that push pin. And it doesn't seem like I'm off or anything like that. I just don't have this pin that's supposedly right here in the instructions to pin this down. As y'all see, unless I'm blind, I don't got, no, it's all smooth here. I don't know. Maybe they missed off by a year. Mine joined us in 13. So as you see, I got the box in. And next thing you're gonna see is me putting everything back together. They go to BBK. So yeah, after some plugging and pulling, I got this all secured nice. Now, I don't know if my joint is a little virgin-esque or what, but I don't know. That shit was a little tight to get on here. And I have to get a white oilless Kohler. They ain't had no more in the back order. It was like 10,000 years that I was not about to wait for. Big shout outs to Zion Motorsports. I ended up getting a little sleeve for it. Supposedly this is supposed to prevent, supposed to help with the pressure drop. A whole sleeve for it. I wonder what this line indicates. JLT performance. Performance, and that is finito. JLT on the BBK 85mm throttle body with the JLT performance sleeve to help. There you go. And last but not least, the oil catch can. All right. Time for the catch can. Already removed my PVC valve. This is already done. There's the part that I'm on there. So as you see, everything is back to normal. They said you're supposed to put the battery back on, put the throttle body, put the car in the on position, press the accelerator 3 times down and up slowly, and then start your vehicle. And this is where we're at now. So, thanks to Zion Motorsports for all my parts. They're good people over there. All catch can, 85mm BBK throttle body, JLT cold air intake with the cover, because they ain't had a color I wanted. And we good. Now it's time to clean up all this mess. A pail of water to wash away all my coolant, old throttle body, stand and all that. Yeah, hope y'all had a good one. Mopar. Also, don't forget, follow us on Mopar Boys Car Club on Instagram. We got our Cali division, Mopar Boy 530. Make sure y'all go follow us, like everything, subscribe to everything. We're just gonna get bigger and better. I hope y'all along for the ride. So this is Tumbo out. Hope y'all have a good rest of your Saturday or whatever day you watch it. Peace.